Do you know why Lord Rama, Sita Devi, Lord Shiva, and Lord Venkateshwara Swamy all visited sacred Upper Ahobilam? Deep inside the green Nallamala forest lies a sacred valley wrapped in ancient secrets, Ahobilam.
After defeating the demon king Hiranyakashipu, Lord Narasimha was filled with intense anger and an uncontained cosmic heat called Jwala.
His divine heat was so scorching that surrounding trees dried up instantly, and solid mountain rocks began to melt. To protect creation from burning, the Lord entered deep into a dark, silent cave. Inside, he sat in Virasana.
Look closely at his majestic form. He sits powerfully in Virsana, the heroic warrior stance, with wide, watchful eyes and heavy, wild, matted locks of hair. Even deep inside the cave, the Lord's intense cosmic energy made the entire universe tremble. Terrified by this uncontained power, the heavenly gods rushed to Lord Shiva for help.
Then Lord Shiva traveled to Upper Ahobilam, walked right to the cave entrance, and sat down on the bare rock. Shiva closed his eyes and began to sing the sacred mantra Raja Pada Stotram. Ugram Veeram Mahavishnum Jwalantam Sarvato Mukham Narasimham Bhishanam Bhadram Mrityur Mrityum Namamiyaham.
As the soothing, rhythmic vibrations of Shiva's voice filled the cavern, Lord Narasimha's roaring stopped, and a gentle smile graced the lion god's face. Filled with deep devotion, Lord Shiva bowed with folded hands before the tranquil lion god, declaring Upper Ahobilam eternal sanctuary of divine peace, grace, and ultimate spiritual protection.
At this very spot, the divine energies of Shiva and Vishnu melted into complete peace and harmony.
To this day, Lord Narasimha resides as the self-manifested deity, Ahobila Narasimha Swamy, blessing all who seek his eternal grace.
Did you know Sri Rama, Sita Devi, and Lord Venkateshwara all visited sacred Upper Ahobilam? The divine story unfolds in part 2.
Om Narasimhaya Namaha. Please subscribe for more such information.